This is possible, and if you are looking to make similar amount of money and reaching your goal for the $1,000 a day, this is insane, and I'm showing you everything in this video. So make sure to watch this entire video so that you guys get familiar with the system, and so that this is how you can start making money online. This is the website, and it's still making basically $1,000 a day, and my goal is to reach 1,000 for today, and yesterday I reached that. For the last 3 days since I've been testing this app that makes you $1,000 a day. Now make sure, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on so you get notified whenever I release a new video. And everything that I'm talking in this video is going to be in the link in my description, so make sure to watch this. Now we're going to log into the website. Basically, once we log in, you're going to see that this is the application, or basically the software we were talking about. As you can see, it's called 1K Daily System, and these are the tutorials if you are looking to watch this and understand more about this. But our concern is that we are gonna come here, which is called Done For You campaign. Now basically, what is this all about? There's a campaigns that is done for us. All we have to do is place our affiliate links, and then we're gonna publish, and then we're gonna get traffic. These are all the 3 things you need to do. And for me, I've been promoting Simple Wi-Fi Profit since I purchased this software, which I'm telling you guys, this is not expensive. It is very cheap. It actually 2 days of Starbucks. If you guys go to Starbucks, you're gonna pay the similar amount that you're gonna pay for Starbucks anyway. So this is very cheap. And what are we gonna be doing? And the best part is it's gonna help you reach the 1,000 goal. All right, now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna click edit. All right, once we click edit, this is gonna be our edit page. Now here we don't have to do anything. All we have to do is configure 2 things. All right, one thing is, now you see that this is the landing page that people will land in, which is opt-in page, and there's also webinar page, and there's also download page content. Now this is gonna be the Simple Wi-Fi Profit landing page. Now I kid you guys not, this landing page converts the best, basically. Now as you can see, this is gonna be the landing page that you're gonna send in traffic into, and as you can see, it's pretty much very good landing page, and it will work out for you. Now what are you gonna be doing is you're gonna come back into the top, and then you're gonna click settings. All right, once you click settings, this is going to be your hop link. Now you have to change this hop link into yours. For example, I'm going to add my other hop link ID, and once we have that, this is going to be your hop link. Now make sure that you guys remember your ID, because usually with ClickBank, the ID is something similar to this that you can make it by yourself. Now this is going to be our landing page. The hop link we have generated it, we have added it basically, and there's going to be autoresponder. Which, how would you set up autoresponder? This is a one-time thing that you need to set up, which is very simple. You're going to come to this arrow, and then you're going to click integration, and then this is going to be all the autoresponder that they work with. Now there's Aweber, there's GetResponse, there's MailChimp, there's ConvertKit, there's SendLane, ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, and there's many more. But for me, I use GetResponse, so I'm gonna click that. As you can see, my API key is already connected. If you're also looking to know how you're able to connect that, these are the 4 steps that you're gonna be doing. You're gonna log into your GetResponse, you're gonna select integration API from your account menu at the top left bar. You can also see a screenshot. They have a screenshot as well. When you click that screenshot, it will take you to basically the screenshot, so that you can know how you can do that. All right, and once you click the screenshot, to know, there's going to be generate a key, which you can also hear a screenshot. Click copy, another screenshot. So everything is laid out perfectly. Now once we have connected that and we click the connect, we're going to come back to the active campaign. Done for you campaign. And then what we're going to be doing is basically we are just going to be clicking publish. Once we click publish, this is going to be our opt-in page that people have to go into. We're going to click view. This is going to be the landing page that is done for us. Nothing is needed to do on your behalf. This is already done. They get all the emails that has been generated for you. It's going to go to your GetResponse. And then basically this is going to be the page that it's going to convert very well for you. Now also you can view it in mobile version view, and this is going to be your mobile version view. and basically this is it. So very interesting. Everything is, even it's a mobile friendly. Now as you can see, now it took us to the webinar page. As you can see, this is also a webinar page that is 2 hours. All right, say streamings, people will click in this and it's gonna be very interesting. So that's it for this. And you can, as you can see also, whenever you come back in here, all right, there's also extra done for you campaigns. There's extra affiliate links. There's affiliate links. For example, when we click affiliate links, what is this all about is basically they're gonna show you a high ticket offers, and you can get your affiliate link from here. Basically, once you click that, basically it will take you to the JV page. All right, once it takes you to the JV page, when we click that, it will take us to, for example, this is a super affiliate system, John Christini. You can add your ID from here and then it will update it. All right, again, there's also this one, Project Profit Academy. There's passive income system. There's simple Wi-Fi profit. You can either click any of them and then you will able to see all of these basically hot offers that is generated. For example, this one, the price for this is $847. All right, you're able to earn that money very simply. Now, as you can see, all these are all this affiliate work that are in here. There's also extra done for you. These are basically done for you system as well. For example, partnership to success, 6-figure success academy, membership method partnership program, ClickBank passive in university, basically ClickBank passive income. You can do the same thing. You can edit it. For example, if we click in here, we're able to edit this page as well, where we can able to add our affiliate links and also very good stuff. So this is another one that is also similarly made with the similar one. Now also this one is gonna convert well for you. So as you can see, 50k in sales in 7 days. This is a proven to work. Now what do you once you land, whenever you click the link in my bio, in my description, you're gonna land on this page. All right, this is going to be the page you're going to land into whenever you click the link in my bio. It says this is high ticket commission app, generates $1,000 in commissions and unlimited free traffic in under 60 seconds. All right, so this is very interesting. Now also 100% done for you high commission system, 100% free traffic built in, zero tech skills experience or maintenance required, 5-figure a day training included, 100% beginner friendly, no email list, no paid traffic required. You make sales or we will personally help you one-on-one. So this is also they're promising you, if you don't make sales, they're gonna help you or personally help you one-on-one. So this is insane. All right, you have to watch this video to understand more about the product or what they are talking about, so that you can understand everything in details. All right, now make sure to know that the timer is limited. If this hits 0, the price will increase, so make sure to get it while it's in 90% off, and one-time payment. There's 0 monthly fees. These are the landing page builders, they will charge you monthly, but this, they don't charge you monthly. You can build a landing page and you can get it done in maybe 10 minutes. You can build it by yourself, but if you are using the done for you that they did for you, it's seconds. But if you want, you can also build a landing page like the other companies or the other softwares they do for you. And there's also 180 days money back guarantee. All right, so this is very interesting. So these are the steps that you have to be doing once you buy the software using the link in my bio. You're gonna step 2, you're gonna be actually going to configure like the way I said it, add your affiliate links and then your autoresponder. And the step 3, get traffic and sales. All right, as you can see, people are making, like I showed you also, they making minimum $1,000, and some people they're making $500, some people are making $700. So this is interesting. So what you have to do is also, as you can see, $1,000 minimum they are making a day. Now what are you going to be doing is basically you have to go down so that I can show you the bonuses in this, so that you understand everything you need to know. And also, this another thing that I wanted to say, that you don't need to have a list. All right, you don't need to have an experience, you don't need to pay for any traffic, you don't have to struggle to find a product, and then no more than 15 minutes per day that this thing involves from you to do. All right, And as you can see, all of these are going to be done for you very simply. Now all you have to do is just buy the software, and then once you buy that, you're just going to take 5 minutes to 10 minutes to set it up, and then just wait and let the cash roll in. This is everything you have to do. Now they have 4 bonuses. The bonus number 1 is multiple free traffic software. The value for this is 1,997. Bonus number 2, you're gonna get 100 extra bonuses. All right. Bonus number 3, you're gonna get guaranteed approval to high converting affiliate offers, value priceless. And bonus number 4, you're gonna get multiple exclusive live web streams. The value for this is also priceless. So this is very, very good. Now apart from that, you're gonna get a 1 extra additional bonus from me. If you buy this through my link, you're gonna get my $10,000 per month affiliate marketing guide. Will also be additional to you. I will send you the guide to you through email. All you have to do is email me. I will put the email in the screen right now. Whenever you purchase this, just email me and say that you have purchased, and then I'm gonna send you the guide instantly. All right, so make sure that don't waste any time. This is gonna be your life changing moment. All right, so if you take actions, your rewards will happen to you. If you don't take actions, nothing will happen. So make sure to take advantage of this opportunity. And this software has been around for 3 days right now, and it's helping me making money online. So if you also want to do the same, take advantage of this and don't wait until the price increase, and they will make this monthly charge for you. All right, once this thing became popular and people know about this, it's going to be oversaturated. People will just get into this software because everyone making money with this, and you will not be you will be lost because you got in very late. I'm here to telling you that this software is still working, so make sure to use it and get advantage of this. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure if you guys do to like and subscribe and turn the notification on, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.